quite good. One recommendation is to either shorten or lengthen the time at Lucerne. 1.5 hours is too long for a meal. I would rather have a bit more time in Mount Titlis, but too short to do anything else meaningful, like going to a museum nearby. Otherwise, this trip gave me everything it promises. Such a good pleasure to having this tour. Due to weather condition we couldn't reach the peak of Titlis. Sonia as a guide explain it so well and give us another option to experience the snow in Trubsee. And also we having a good time at Lucerne. Instructions on the pickup point was clear and could be easily found. Took the comfortable coach ride for a short stop at Lucerne. The tour guide brought the group to some photo points and explained the history clearly. Continued the trip up to Mount Titlis for more adventure. Activities were dependent on weather conditions. Could try out sledging too and it was fun. Take a tour bus near Zurich main station and stop in Lucerne for about 1 hour of free time to explore. Then take a tour bus to the cable car station at the foot of Mount Titlis and take the cable car to climb the mountain. There is about an hour of skiing experience at the ski resort, and ski equipment is also provided. You can also reserve time to climb to the top after skiing. Thank you to the tour guides, Raphael and Manuel. They're very informative and kind. Even the instructor was very patient and friendly. Also helped that we're the only ones in the tour who did the ski experience. It was a double-decker bus trip. There were many groups of people in the bus, so the guide could not take care of everyone. The return trip was not on schedule. There should not be any appointments that day. The tourist attractions were beautiful, clean, and there were many activities to do. The cable car was very good, high, and beautiful. Brilliant activity from start to finish. Well worth it. Value for money. Kids and us adults enjoyed it. The only minus thing is the departure time too late, 9:30 a.m. It will be better if the departure time from Zurich at 7 a.m. Highly recommended if you want a peace of mind from having to plan the entire route to travel to Lucerne and Mount Titlis. Everything is well planned by the tour group and all you have to do is enjoy the trip. The tour guide was attentive and explained in detail, but the guidance of the colleagues who led him to the ski resort could be clearer, but the time was too short. The trip is cost-effective. My first skiing experience, beautiful scenery, serious and good-looking instructor, very satisfied.